Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the foundation. Pick a narrow niche and finalize 3 to 5 designs so product decisions are fast. Next, create your Shopify account and configure currency, tax regions, and basic shipping profiles. This ensures correct pricing and checkout. Then install a print-on-demand app and link it to your store. Authorize API access, map product variants, and push sample listings. Once done, preview SKU, images, and mockups so you avoid listings with missing variants or wrong pricing. You now build product pages that convert, write benefit-focused copy, add high-resolution mockups, and include sizing/fit details so shoppers trust the listing. Once done, calculate prices using cost plus shipping plus a 30 to 50% margin and set variant SKUs for fulfillment accuracy. Next, organize collections and top navigation for quick discovery, and add a concise FAQ covering shipping times and returns. Make sure product images, tags, and meta descriptions are optimized for search and clarity. You finish by testing and launching. Place a real or $1 test order to confirm the POD app creates a fulfillment ticket and the payment gateway captures funds. Once satisfied, enable analytics, abandoned cart emails, and a single launch promotion to generate initial traffic. Monitor incoming orders and fulfillment statuses daily during week 1. If an order fails, immediately check SKU mapping, payment settings, and app sync, and contact the POD provider with order ID and error details so you can resolve production or shipping hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.